In January, most of us are starting to plan for the year ahead. So whether you want to consolidate and pay off some debt with a balance transfer credit card or start earning points for your 2024 travels, here are our top picks for credit cards to help kickstart your New Year's plans. With 0% interest on balance transfers for 29 months, the Barclaycard Platinum 29-month Visa is our top balance transfer card for January 2024. As well as a chunky interest-free period, the card also has the option to register for Barclaycard Cashback rewards and earn up to 15% at selected retailers. There's no account fee to use this card, but there is quite a high balance transfer fee of 3.45%, a minimum annual income requirement of £20,000, and not everyone accepted for this card will get the full 29 months. If you want to earn points to put towards your travel plans this year, check out the Amex Preferred Rewards Gold Card. This card comes with a limited time offer of 25,000 welcome points when you sign up for the 9th of January and spend 3k in your first 3 months. If you're watching this after the 9th of January, the welcome bonus will have reverted to a pretty respectable 20,000 points. This card also offers an additional 5,000 points if you spend anything on your card in your 15th month, 4 complimentary airport lounge visits per year, and loads of extra perks to unlock in the app. The first year is free, after which you'll pay an annual fee of £195, a potential downside if you are looking for a card with no fees. Our top pick for travel credit cards when you're actually on the ground is the Barclaycard Rewards Visa, which has no fees on spending and cash withdrawals abroad. And you can even earn little as you go with 0.25% cashback on most spending. The account is free to use, but the qualifying criteria are quite strict, so check in advance to see if you're eligible. Christmas might be over, but you can still treat yourself with the Amex Cashback Everyday Card, which offers 5% cashback on eligible purchases for your first 3 months, up to £100 total cashback, and an ongoing earn rate of 0.5% cashback on spending less than 10 grand, 1% on spending over 10 grand. There is no account fee to use this card, but be aware that you'll need to spend a minimum of £3,000 each year to qualify for the cashback offer, and if you don't pay off your card in full each month, you could end up paying more in interest than you would earn in cashback. The Barclaycard Platinum All-Rounder is our top pick for 0% purchase cards in January, with 21 months interest-free on purchases from the date you open your account. This card also offers up to 18 months interest-free on balance transfers, if you want a dual-purpose card. There's no account fee to use this card, but the 0% purchase deal is only available to new customers, and not everyone who applies for this card will get the full 21 months interest-free. Depending on your credit history, you may be offered a shorter 0% purchase period. If you want to build or improve your credit score in 2024, have a look at the Tesco Foundation credit card. This card accepts people with no or bad credit history, comes with regular credit limit increases when eligible, and the ability to keep track of your credit score for free via Tesco Bank's online credit view service. This card has no account fee, but it does come with higher interest rates that typically come with credit builder cards, low starting credit limits, and a 3.99% cash advance fee, which includes gambling transactions. You can also earn club card points on this card, but be mindful not to start racking up extra debt just to take advantage of this perk. For more information on the best credit cards and to compare your options, head to finder.com by clicking this link here. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button below for more videos like this one. Until next time, thanks for watching.